So first of all, I'm promoting for how to increase apply product links to increase your earnings using for social media. So SEO is a one part. Second will be social media. So first of all, you can associate your program for Amazon. You can select your product. The product link adding for particular website. Here two advantages. You can promote by the product links and your website traffic. That is called, we use option call is anyimage.io. Anyimage.io. Select your option. This will be your own title, own image, own description, own link. Everything will be total. Code will be your wish. First of all, browse the image. Image is main guru for social media. To advertise by any product. Select your browser file. Before any select image, what the image name, as is copy, give to by same option. Is always very important by the particular image adding. Image will be configure. Next title. Title will be 115 characters. Copy. Done. Next description with the best price and discount. Destination URL. My website is the destination URL. Copy. Your image will display large or small. You have to decide. Setting for large. How to display by the social media? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google Plus. So right now Google Plus will be shut down. They support only for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. So finish it and will create by your documentation with your hashtag products toy shine football game copy. First of all, said by Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. First of all, said by Twitter. Twitter support only up to 255 characters. Remaining not will be support. So writing up to 255 characters. That's why I set up to here. Login and wait. So what are we can using for login will be wait. Done. Next one. Facebook will be no restriction for the particular characters. Facebook. You can promote by timeline, your story, groups, pages, your friends' timeline, and your timeline. So most of you sending by the private message also. So you can select by here. Is loading for your total responding. So first major one is called your story and your newsfeed. Select it. Image will be came. Don't worry about the image. And click for post to Facebook. So image will be sometime will posting time will be not enabled. After posting, they will be showing for enable your option. How to show in Facebook will be like this. Next, Facebook. Facebook is a more powerful by the offline marketing product links. Too easy to sell. Select by here. Pages. Select by here. Page option. Best deal. Select it. Click for post to Facebook. Finally, go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn will be two options. Your connection, individual message. We have the two options. Connections, individual message. Share and post. Here, anyone. There will be anyone plus Twitter and a connection only. Here is setting for anyone plus Twitter. But in Twitter, LinkedIn to Twitter display only for support by up to 255 characters. So this is called you can promote by your upline marketing product link, particular social media. This will be total class for upline marketing at the product link to add by the social media to promote by Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn using the hashtag to trending your topic by the social network. Most powerful by total three networks. Facebook is a powerful by the Facebook Friends, Facebook Friends timeline, groups, pages. Facebook Friends will be sending for the private message, and Facebook Story will be total six option will using by the Facebook to reach audience. Any new audience to reach the particular product, the option is called Facebook groups. I need to spread the news by new audience, new customers. The option is called Facebook groups. Select here. Group. The group will be adding for already existing on your option. Sale. When for sale and buy, they're showing your option. Sale and buy. So everything will be. This is not only Indian product, this is a total global product by Amazon. Clear? Particular group, you can select it, select by the new audience, post your content. This is the promoting for your applied mark product links to website to social media. There are two advantages. One is the website traffic will be increased. Second, they will be product will be promoted by the social media. Social media will give the two advantages. Website traffic, product will be increase your sales. This is a very important by your affiliate marketing product links.